Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of the Gorilla Grip umbrella here. I just actually just picked it up and it came just in time because it looks like the skies here are about to open up. And again, I wanted to pick up a new umbrella for the season. And my girls actually picked this out, my young daughters. I got the sky with the clouds design. When it comes wrapped, it will come wrapped, bubble wrap on the handle here. It kind of keeps everything from getting damaged in transport. All right, so now that we got everything taken apart, all the plastic and packaging off of it, I do like here that I've seen some umbrellas that have actually a metal snap here. This is actually on that little strap that keeps everything in. I see it's Velcro, which I like because again, it's not. I just prefer having Velcro there as opposed to I've seen metal snaps. And then it does look like one where it's just it's a single button to go under your umbrella, which I do enjoy a lot, rather than having something to. Rather than having something that I have to actually push out. It's a single button. It makes it real easy to like get out of the car, or if you've got groceries in one hand, you can always just pull this out, hit the button, and everything does deploy. And if at any point in this video you decided, hey, that's helpful, do me a favor. There's actually a thumbs up button at the bottom of the video. Feel free to hit that so that more people see the video. Now, what I also like about this particular umbrella is it's one of those umbrellas where if you hit the button, it comes back and I guess folds back up automatically. It doesn't go all the way back down, but it does make things easier in putting it away. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but yeah, I'll do this with two hands. I'll kind of show you when it all gets back and gets all put back away. And then once we get it back and we get it rolled up, they give you this nice little sleeve that slips over the top. And then again, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the size of my forearm, so this is a perfect travel umbrella. There's nothing too revolutionary about the design. It is a basic umbrella, but it seems the quality seems to be real well made. This is a textured handle. The materials seem to be high quality. Again, it's going to be a reliable umbrella that just keeps working and working. And again, my girls do like the sky blue with the clouds. So overall, I do recommend it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.